Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's understand with Hamal. I am Amal Chaube and a software engineer. Let's understand our today's topic, types of programming languages. If you did not watch my previous channel videos, go and please watch. You will definitely get some knowledge from there. So without doing another delay, let's understand our today's topic, types of programming languages. Programming languages. Computer programming languages are used to communicate instruction to a computer. They are based on certain syntactic and semantic rules, which define the meaning of each of the programming languages and constructs. I already explained this in better way in my previous video. Please go and watch. You will definitely get better picture over there. So let's do our next types of programming languages. Here I divided different type of programming languages in different categories on the basis of their characteristics. When sharing the example, it is possible to one programming language is come in the different type of programming language because of they share multiple characteristics. So let's do one by one. Interpreted programming language, functional programming language, compiled programming language, procedural programming language, descriptive programming language, markup programming language, logic-based programming language, concurrent programming language, and object-oriented programming languages. Let's do one by one. Interpreted programming language. An interpreted programming language is a programming language for which most of its implementation execute instruction directly without previously compiling a program into machine level instruction. Means that it execute different instruction without the interpreter execute the program directly, translating each statement into a sequence of one or more subroutine already compiled into machine code. Here is some example of interpreted language. APL. APL is the array of programming language. It can work simultaneously on multiple array of data. It is an interactive and functional programming language. Second is AutoIT. It is a firmware automation language for Microsoft Windows. Its main intent is to create automation script that can be used for execution of certain repetitive tasks on Windows. Next is BASIC. It is an acronym for Beginner All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It was designed with the intent of giving a non-science people an access to computer. Next is FL. It is an object-oriented programming language that is ISO standardized and used to develop extensible and reusable software. It is development platform for many industries such as finance, aerospace, and video gaming. Next is fourth. It is a structured imperative programming language which bases its implementation on a stack. It supports an interactive execution of command as well as the compilation of sequencer of commands. Next is Frink. Frink is developed by a Professor John Frink, a popular fictional character. It is based on Java Virtual Machine and focus on science and engineering. Its striking feature is that it tracks the units of measure through all the calculation that enable quantities to contain their units of measurement. Next is ICI. ICI is a general purpose interpreted computer programming language. It supports dynamic typing, flexible data type, and other language constructs similar to C. Next is J. Ken Inversion and Roger Hugh developed this programming language that require only the basic ASCII character set. It is an array programming language that work well with mathematical and statistical operation. Next is Lisp. Lisp is the second oldest high-level programming language in wider aspect used today. The name Lisp is derived from list processing language. One of the important data structure that Lisp support is linked list. Lisp program deal with source code and data structure. Next is Lua. Member of the Computer Graphic Technology Group developed Lua in 1993. It is an imperative and procedural programming language that was designed as a scripting language. It is known for being simple yet powerful. Next is M. M is a short form of MUMS, a programming language created for the healthcare industry. Neil Paperlado, the founder of medical information technology, and his associates developed the M language. Next is Pascal. It is a procedural programming language that was intended to use data structure and a structured programming language. Nicolas Wirth, a Swiss computer scientist, designed this language, and it was named after Basic Pascal, a French mathematician and philosopher. Next is Pascal T, an acronym for Biparent and Childest Accessible Syntax Tree Language. It is a high-level language developed by Philippe Checouti and falls under the class of interpreted computer programming language. It is especially designed for self-modifying code. Next is Perl. Before discussing the Perl, please note one thing that when I explain the programming language, you notice that every programming language had their particular industry. So also careful and pay attention over there which programming language is used for which industry. So now let's discuss the Perl. Perl is a high-level interpreted programming language that supports dynamic programming. It was developed by Larry Wall and linguists who serve as a system administrator at NASA. It provides the programming with text processing facility and has the blend of feature adopted from various languages like C, Lisp, and AWK. Next is PostScript. It is used to desktop public field and is known Next is PostScript. It is used in desktop publishing field and is known as a page description language. It is dynamically typed stack-based programming language developed by John Frank, an American computer science, and Charles Guest, a notable figure in the field of computer science. These developers went on to found the very well-known company Adobe System. Next is Python. It is high-level programming language that supports imperative, object-oriented, and functional programming paradigms. In its features like the dynamic type system and automatically memory management, it is similar to Perl. Originally released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch computer programmer, Python is an open community-based language whose development is managed by the Python Software Foundation. Next is the Rex. Rex is a short form or restructured extended executor. Rex is an interpreted language developed by IBM. It was designed with an intent to be easily learned and readable language. NetRex is the IBM implementation of Rex that offer object-oriented programming. ObjectRex is an object-oriented scripting language that based on the Rex. Next is the Ruby. The effort for developing the language initiated in Japan in the 1990s. Similar to Fortran, it has dynamic type system and automatic memory management. It supports multiple programming paradigms and a dynamic object-oriented language. Next is Slang. Originally developed as a stack-based language, Slang has evolved as a language similar to C. It was developed by John E. Davis. Last is Spin. It is multitasking object-oriented programming language whose compiler converts the Spin code into bytecode. Multiple Spin code threads can run at a time. Thus, enable multitasking. Spin was developed by a cheap Grace Parallels. Next is functional programming language. Functional programming language define every computational as a mathematical evaluation. They focus on the application of functions. Many of the functional programming languages are bound to mathematical calculation. Functional programming is very useful when we need to do any mathematical calculation. Here is some example which fall inside the functional programming language. First is the Charity. It is a purely functional, not Turing complete language, which means that its program are granted to terminate. Charity was designed at the University of Calgary, a public university in Canada. Next is Clean. It is purely functional programming language that support portability across platform, automatic garbage collection, multiple data structure, and referent transparency, which means that a function with given input will always give the same output. Next is the Curry. It is a functional logic programming language that implements functional and logic programming as well as construct programming, wherein the relationship between variables are stated in form of constants. Next is Erlang. It is concrete programming language that include a sequence subset which support functional programming. Irkisen developed Erlang as a distributed soft real-time and fault-tolerant language and released it in an open-source computer programming language in 1991. It is one of the most powerful used functional programming languages ever. Next is FHAS. FHAS target the .NET framework and support both function as well as imperative programming and object-oriented programming. Done same at the Microsoft Research developed this language. Microsoft researcher developed this language, which is now being developed at the Microsoft Developer Division. F# is called, will soon be integrated into .NET Framework and Visual Studio. Next is Haskell. Named in honor of Haskell Curry, a logician, Haskell is a standardized purely functional programming language. It supports pattern matching, definable operators, single assignment, algebraic data type, and recursive functional. Next is Joy. It is purely functional language that is based on composition of functions. Next is Kite. It came up in 2006 with a features set consisting of blend of object-oriented and functional programming features. It is fast-running language. Kite uses the pipe character for functional call rather than using the period or arrow character in other languages. Next is ML. Next is Nemarle. It is a statistical type programming language that is designed for the .NET platform. Program in Nemarle are compiled into intermediate language bytecode. Is support functional, imperative, and object-oriented programming language. Next is Opal. The name stands for Optimized Applicative Language and is functional programming language developed at the Technical University of Berlin. Next is OPS5. It is rule-based production system programming language that became the first language to be used in expert system. Last is Q. It is called Q for being an equational programming language. It is an interpreted functional language that was designed by Albert Graf at the University of Mainz in Germany. It can be described as a set of equations used to evaluate expression. Let's discuss compiled programming language. A compiled programming language is programming language whose implementation are typically compiler, translate the generate machine code from source code, and not interpreter, a step-by-step executors of source code when no pre-runtime translate take place. Let's discuss one by one this different type of compiled type programming language. First is ADA. It is a statical type, a structured imperative programming language that is based on Pascal. A team of CII, Honeywell, Bull that was led by a Jen Ichbier developed the ADA. The ADA compiler are validated for mission critical system. ADA is an internationally standardized computer programming language. Next is ALGOL. Algorithmic language, as it's called, is actually a family of imperative programming language that was developed in the middle of 1950s. It's proved international in the creation of programming language like BCPL, B and C. Ole John, Dahl and Christian Nygaard of the Norwegian Computer Center in also were the brain behind Simula. Next is C. Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Technology Laboratory developed C to be used on the Unix platform. It is general purpose cross-platform procedure imperative programming language. It is used for implementing system software and application software, and is one of the most used computer programming languages of today. The development of C++, C# was influenced by C. Next is C++, our favorite programming language. It consists of combination of high-level and low-level language features, and is hence considered as a middle-level programming language also. Bazaar, a prototype of Bell Labs, developed C++. Bazaar ne C++ as an extension of the C language, originally known as C with classes. It come to be known as a C++ from 1983. It is a multi-paradigm language that support procedural programming, generic programming, object-oriented programming, and data abstraction. Now next is C#. C# is a multi-paradigm programming language that support imperative, generic, and object-oriented programming language. It is a part of Microsoft.NET framework. It's similar to C++ in the object-oriented syntax and also influenced by Java and Delphi. Next is Sleo. It is known the clear language of expressing order and is computer language for the Leo computer. Next is COBOL. The name stands for Common Business Oriented Language that is designed for the business and finance domain. COBOL 2020 standard support object-oriented programming. It is one of the very old programming languages that are still in use. Next is Cobra. It is an object-oriented programming language that runs on .NET and Mono framework. Its design is influenced by languages like Python and C#. It supports statics and dynamic typing and is suited for unit tests. Today it is open source project. Next is D. Originally designed as an enhancement of C++, it is also influenced by Java, FL, and C#. It is an object-oriented imperative multi-paradigm system programming language developed by Walter Bright of Digital Mars. Next is Dassault. Next is Dassault. Dassault is an acronym of Distributed Application Specification Language. It is a high-level, strongly typed programming language that was developed at the Sun Microsystem. It was created with the intent to be used for developing web application. Next is DeVol. DeVol is an acronym of Digital Interactive Business-Oriented Language. DeVol is general-purpose procedural imperative programming language. It is fairly similar to COBOL, as it's best suited for the development of management information system. Next is Fortran. Fortran, it is a procedure imperative general purpose computer programming language that works well for scientific computing, numeric operation. After IBM developed it in 1950, it soon gained popularity in programming. It is very popular in the field of high performance computing. It is a structured and compiled programming language that is subset of Fortran 95, Fortran 2020, a revised version of Fortran support object-oriented programming. Next is Java. It is a general purpose computer programming language that is concurrent, class-based, object-oriented, and especially designed to have a few implementation dependency as possible. Compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need of recompilation. It is very popular language of the modern time. Next is Jovial. It is high-order computer programming language similar to ALGOL. It is best suited to the design and develop of embedded system. Next is Objective-C. It is a reflective object-oriented programming language that adds messaging service in C. Next is ASML. The name stands for a small machine ALGOL-like language. It provides the programmers with ability to write the ALGOL-like code that can be run on a small machine. Next is Smalltalk. It is reflective object-oriented programming language that supports dynamic typing. It is developed for educational use and it soon become popular. Visualworks is a prominent implementation of Smalltalk. Squawk is programming language that is in the form of an implementation of Smalltalk. Scratch is a visual programming language based on Squawk. Next is Turing. It was developed by Rich Holt and James Cordy of the University of Toronto, Canada in 1982. It was named in honor of British computer scientist Alan Turing. This is Pascal-like language is freeware since 2007. Next is Visual Basic. It is an event-driven programming language that is packed with an intent development or environment. Next is Visual Basic. It is an event-driven programming language that is packed with an integrated development environment. It inherits many of its features from Basic. Its graphical development features make it easy for beginners to learn Visual Basic. Next is Pro, Visual Fox Pro. It is an object-oriented and procedural programming language derived from Fox Pro. It is integrated with relational database system of its own, does not require any additional programming environment. It supports dynamic programming. Last is Excel. It is created with intent to support concept of programming, a programming paradigm that focus on how concept redesigned in programmer's mind can be transformed into code construct. Programmers can reconfigure Excel syntax and semantics. Now next is procedural programming language. Procedural imperative programming language implies specifying the step that the program should take to reach to a intended state. A procedure is a group of statements that can be referenced through a procedure calls. Procedure help in the use of code. Procedural programming make the program a structure and easily traceable for program flow. Here is the example of the different type of procedural programming language. Bliss. It is a system programming language and was one of the best known language of the type till C come up. That means before C, Bliss was the popular. It had the exception handling mechanism, continue and micro, while it excludes the goto statement. Next is Chu. It is a concurrent and a strongly timed audio programming language that runs on Mac OS X, Linux as well as Microsoft Windows. It is especially known for the ability it gives to the programmer to do some modification even in the running of program. Next is List. It is procedural programming language into the form of set of commands that need to be executed in sequence like that of the batch files. Next is HyperTalk. It is high-level programming language that was intended to be used by programmer at the beginner level. The programmer of this computer language were known as the author, and the act of writing program was called scripting. HyperTalk was designed by Don Winker in 1987. Structurally, it resembles in Pascal. Next is Modula 2. It is general-purpose procedural language created in 1978 by Nicholas Wirth at ETH. It is similar to Pascal and has system programming and multi-programming features also. Next is Oberon. It was designed as a part of a Bureau operating system. It is similar to Modula 2 but smaller than that. Next is Component Pascal. It is programming language that seems to be related to Pascal, but it is actually incompatible with it. It is actually a variant of Oberon 2. Laguna is an experimental programming language that supports component-oriented programming, a paradigm of decomposing a system into logical or functional component. Next is MATLAB. It is a numerical computing environment and a programming language that enable matrix computational, function plotting and algorithm implementation. It can also be used for user interface creation. Mathworks create MATLAB. Next is OCaml. It is an imperative procedural language that was developed by David Mary and his colleagues at Inmos. It's similar to Pascal. OCaml Pi is a variant of OCaml that has been extended include nested protocol, recursion protocol, inheritance, array constructors, and runtime process creation. Next is PLC. It was developed for being used to tech programming. It was created at the Cornell University in the 1970s. PLI. It is an imperative computer programming language targeted at a scientific and engineering application, mainly intended to perform data processing. It also supports structured programming and recursion. Next is Rapira. It is procedure programming language that was used in teaching computer programming in Soviet school. Developed in the USSR, initially the language had Russian-backed keyword. English keyword were incorporated later. Next is RPG. This programming language is used for business simplification. It is available with the IBM system, mid-range computers. Next is scripting language. The scripting language are programming language that control an application script, can execute independent of any other application. They are mostly embedded in the application that they control and are used to automate frequently executed tasks like communicating with external program. Here is some example of scripting language. One of the is the AppleScript. It is a scripting language that built into the Mac OS. Next is AWK. AWK was born in Bell Labs in 1970. It is used for processing text-based data in data stream and file, and use the string data type, array, and regular expression. Next is Beansell. It is Java scripting language that is synthetically similar to Java and run on the Java runtime environment along with a scripting command and syntax. Next is ColdFusion. It is application server and software development framework that come with an associated scripting language known as ColdFusion markup language. It is known as CMFL and similar to HTML in terms of its syntax. Next is FScript. It is object-oriented scripting language that is closely similar to a Smalltalk with the additional feature of array programming. Next is Jazz. It is an event-driven scripting language that provides the programmer with an extensive API. Mail. Mail is a short form of Maya embedded language. It is a scripting language that is used to support tasks on the Maya software. Its syntax resembles that of Perl. Next is Mondrian. The scripting language is aimed for internet used and lookup being a combination of Haskell and Java. Next is PHP. PHP is the one of the very popular used general purpose scripting language. It is developed for creating dynamic web page and support command line interface compatibility. Next is Evaluation. It is a rapid application development language that is based on HyperTalk. It is cross-platform language that support dynamic typing. Next is TCL. It is a scripting language which is believed to be easy to learn. It is used for rapid prototyping and has found utility in embedded system. Next is Visual Basic Script. It is an active scripting language that Microsoft developed as a variation of Microsoft Visual Basic. VB Script is default component with each of the desktop release of Microsoft Windows. Next is Windows PowerShell. It is Microsoft command line shell and a scripting language released in 2006. It is available with the Windows Access, Windows Vista, also with Windows Server 2020 and Windows Server 2008. It works on collaboration with Microsoft .NET Framework by means of executable form of a standalone application, regular .NET classes, CMDTLS, CMD, LETS, and a specialization. .NET class and script, the composition of CMD, LETS, and imperative logic. Next is markup language. A markup language is an artificial language that use annotation to the text that define how the text to be displayed. First is curl. It is a reflective object-oriented programming language. It is markup language similar to HTML. Curl is object-oriented programming language support multiple inheritance. Next is SGML. A standardized general markup language (SGML) is a descent from IBM Generalized Markup Language. It is an ICO standard meta language that can define markup language for document. It was designed with the intent of sharing machine-readable document for large project that had been written for the long year. Next is HTML. Hypertext Markup Language, abbreviation of HTML, is the most prominent markup language that is used for the web pages. It is written in the form of HTML tags that are surrounded by the angular brackets. HTML tag describe the appearance of the text in the document and can be embedded into certain other code to be effect of the web browser behavior. HTML use the HTML default syntax. Next is XML. The name stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is extensible because allow the user to define one XML element. It supports the sharing of a structured data over the internet and encoding and serializing the data. It oriented of subset of HTML. XPath is the XML path language that is used to select a node from XML document. It supports the computation of values. XQuery is used to query the collection of XML data. Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformation (XSTL) is an XML-based language that is used for the transformation of XML document into human-readable format. Apache Ant is tool for the automation of software build process. It uses XML to describe the build process. Next is XHTML. It is a markup language that's similar to XHTML and follow the XML syntax. It is middleware between HTML and XML. XHTML document allow automated process of data. Next is logic-based programming language. Logic-based programming language is a type of programming paradigm which is largely based on formal logic. Any programming written in logic programming language is a set of sentences in logical form, expression, fact, and rule about some problem domain. Here is some example: ALF, Frill, Janus, Leda, OJED, Poplang, Prolang, and Roux. Let's discuss one by one. ALF is a stand for Algebraic Logic Functional Programming Language. It is a multi-paradigm programming language that is combination of functional programming and logic programming. ALF program statements are compiled into instruction of object machine. An emulator written in C execute the program of the abstract machine. Next is Frill. Frill language was designed by Trevor Martin and Jim Blandwin at the University of Bristol in the 1980s. It is for first order predict calculus. It support fuzzy sets and meta-programming and based on the Prolog syntax. Janus support concurrent and construct programming. Next is Leda. This computer programming language is blend of the logic-based functional, imperative and object-oriented programming. It is thus one of the multi-programming paradigm. Next is OJED. It is multi-paradigm language that support functional, logic-based, imperative, and object-oriented programming. OJED also support concurrent and distributed programming. Constant programming that is supported by OJED is one of the strengths of this language. Next is Prolang. It is a powerful multi-paradigm software development environment whose core language is POP11. All the language of this development environment share a common language editor and are incremental compiled programming language. Next is Prolog. It is a general purpose programming languages that support logic programming and often linked with artificial intelligence and computational linguistics. The language is declarative and the programming language is expressed in the form of relations. Mercury is a functional logic programming language that is based on the Prolog. Next is Roux. It is a multi-paradigm language that is built on C++. It is intended to be used with artificial intelligence system. Its features offer a blend of procedure language-based and object-oriented programming. Next is concurrent programming language. Concurrent programming is a computer programming technique that provides for the execution of operations concurrently, either within a single computer or across a number of systems. In the latter case, the term distributed computer is used. Here is the example of this: ABCL, FNX, Click, Concurrent, Pascal, E, Joule, Lembo, Pict, Salsa, SR. ABCL. It is actually a family of actor-based concurrent language which was developed in Japan during 1980 and the 1990s. Next is FNX. FNX is a multi-threaded functional programming language. Its interpreter is written in C++. Its runtime engine support both 32 and 64-bit platform. Next is Click. Click is created at the MIT laboratory in 1994. Click support multi-threaded parallel programming concepts. Next is Concrete Pascal. A Danish American computer scientist created Concrete Pascal for writing operating system and programming real-time systems. Next is E. It is object-oriented programming language that supports distributed programming. Mark Miller, Dan Boston, and associates at the Electric Communication developed E in 1997. Its syntax resembles that of Java. Next is Julia. Julia is a concrete data flow programming language that preceded the E programming language. It is used for the distributed application. Next is Limbo. Limbo developed at the Bell Labs. Limbo is used for programming distributed system. Its striking feature is its compiler ability to generate architecture-independent object code. Limbo is used for application running on Inferno operating system. Alex, that was initially as part of Plain 9 operating system, is the procedures of predecessor of Limbo. Next is Pit. It is a statistical typed programming language which is in experimental stage today. Next is Salsa. Salsa is the short form of Simple Actor Language System and Architecture. Salsa support concurrent programming, message passing, and distributed computing. It's use Java code for portability. Next is SR. SR is the acronym of synchronizing resource. SR is a concrete programming language. Next is Object-Oriented Programming Language. Object-Oriented Programming Language is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects, which means contain data in the form of field, often known as attribute, and code in the form of procedure, often known as method. In object-oriented programming, computer programs are designed by making them out of objects that interact with one and another. Here is some example of object-oriented programming. Agora. It is prototype-based object-oriented programming language that feature message passing mechanism. Next is Beta. It is object-oriented programming language wherein class and procedure revolve around the same concept and class are defined as attribute of objects. It has a strong abstraction mechanism. Beta also support nested class. Next is Cecil. Cecil is the object-oriented language was created by Carrick Chambers at the University of Washington. It is similar to Objective-C and Modula 3. Next is Lava. Lava is a virtual object-oriented interpreter-based programming language. Next is Lissat. It was the first compiled object-oriented programming language that was based on the prototype concept. It is also supports system programming. Next is Mo. It is dynamically typed prototype-based programming language that supports object-oriented programming. It supports exception handling mechanism and looping construct. Next is Moto. It is an open source server-side programming language that comes with the state and session management object and database connectivity. Next is Object-Jet. It was developed at the University of Queensland, Australia. It extends the Jet programming language by adding object-oriented feature to it. Next is Oblique. It is an interpreted computer programming language that offers object-oriented programming features. It supports untyped variable and was designed for the distributed and multi-threaded computation. Next is Oxygen. Oxygen is based on the Object Pascal. Oxygen is object-oriented programming language with a rich feature set. Previously, it was known as a Chrome. Here, sorry, Oxygen have the type mistakes. Spelling of the Oxygen is O-X-Y-G-E-N-E. Now, next is a Valiant. Valiant, it is based on the dynamic compiler and comes with unique ability of supporting low-level instruction list as well as high-level expression. Next is Prograph. It is a visual object-oriented multi-programming language that uses symbols to signify the action to be performed on data. Next is Rebol. Rebol is the acronym given to the relative expression-based object language. It is designed for use of distributed platform and in network communication. Next is Scala. Scala. The name Scala stands for a scalable language. It is a multi-paradigm programming language which offers object-oriented and functional programming features. Next is Self. Self is a object-oriented prototype-based computer programming language. Newton script is used to write the program for Apple Newton and is largely influenced by Self. Next is Slate. This object-oriented programming language is based on the concept of prototype. It derives some of its features from a Smalltalk and some from the Self language. The Slate design intended at providing the programming with an operating system like environment. Next is XORtCL. It is an object-oriented extension of the tools command language that support meta class and dynamic class method. Last is IO. It is a pure object-oriented programming language having a prototype-based object model. It is a small in size and can execute a small portable mechanism. Here introduce one pure object-oriented programming. You know what is the pure object-oriented programming? Here is one question arrive. Java is the pure object-oriented programming language or not? If you know, then fine. If you don't know, please pause the video and try to search the answer. We come to our last slide. So before going to this video, I want to give the answer why Java is not the pure programming language. For being the pure programming language, every programming language need to support the 7 structures, 7 rules. One is the encapsulation, second is inheritance, third is the polymorphism, fourth is abstraction, fifth is the all predefined types are objects, sixth is the all user defined types are object, and 7 is the all operation performed on object must be only through method exposed at the object like a small talk. So Java support in encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstractions, but it does not support the rules that is all predefined types of object. In Java, you can create int, float, main, that is predefined of integral data types. So that's why Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. If you like the video, please comment, subscribe, and like this video and share with your friends. If I miss any programming language, you can list down that in the comments, so it will increase knowledge of our viewers. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.